Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hold My Nugget Studios once again for your 2023 USFL Week 5 game highlight commentary. We start out in Michigan where the Panthers field a punt inside their own end zone and return it all the way inside Mauler territory, 75 yards to the 25. And 2.5 minutes later, play action fake for Josh Love got his man in the end zone, touchdown. Michigan's in front. Meanwhile, for Philly, the Stars would strike blood first on a 22-yard field goal to give them the 3-0 lead. Here comes the undefeated New Orleans Breakers. Get over here! No! Next Pittsburgh drive, Mauler's on the move. Grab it, hurry! Yoink. Pass ricocheted and intercepted by the Panthers. They take the football right back. I don't know why this man doing all this excess cardio. He was down back where he intercepted the football. Let's check in on that showboat offensive line.
Nobody's blocking.
Late in the quarter, the Maulers drive all the way down the field, shovel pass to Stokey, fights his way into the end zone, touchdown. Pittsburgh evens the score at 7 apiece. Back to Philly we go. Here come the Generals, hand off to Victor, but he's eating butterfingers. Fumbles on the play, scooped up by the Stars. They take over inside the 20. Hey Victor, nothing to worry about. It's only one fumble. No way you turn it over again, right?
You could have seen this video early and ad-free. Make sure to join on patreon.com/Chiseled Adonis and you won't have to worry about ads. What are you waiting for? Click the link in the description.
Down to Birmingham we go. The Gamblers on the move. Hand off to Mark Thompson. Finds his way into the end zone. Houston takes the lead as Thompson exposes his left testicle on the Birmingham defense. The crew is reporting we got to check in on that Philadelphia offensive line. Michigan on the move again, but looks like they must have been drinking that water from Flint because they're coughing up the ball. Fumble on the play, scooped up by the Maulers. Both teams turned the football over once in the first quarter. Despite the lack of protection, Philly would connect on yet another field goal from 42 yards out to take a 6-0 lead. Memphis would join the party from 41 yards out, and they'd kick it through the uprights and good to take a 3-0 lead over New Orleans. Put down the tequila, throw away that rum, get rid of the vodka. We got Isaiah Henny in the back of the end zone for the score, and the Maulers take the lead. Think fast, Generals on the move.
Excuse me, bitch?
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
DeAnthony Johnson on the QB keep to give the Generals the lead. And after 18 minutes, the reigning defending undisputed USFL champions finally are on the board. Back to Philadelphia we go. Case Cook is on the move.
That's not what he wanted to cook.
The undefeated Breakers still can't get any offense going. 4th and 2, Seinfeld for you, participating in the Frank Costanza challenge, cuz.
I stopped short.
Michigan trailing for the first time today. Josh Love takes the snap on 3rd and 12. Got a little bit of time, looks towards the end zone, got a man.
Yoink.
But he plays for the other team. Pass intercepted.
All right, let's try this again. And nobody's blocking.
That's how a white man plays guitar.
The NBA Finals is vastly approaching, and I'm feeling generous right now. So I've decided to give away another Xbox X and PS5. We've did it on 3 different occasions, 6 different winners. One of these can be yours, and you didn't even need to spend any money. All you gotta do is subscribe on YouTube, follow me on Instagram. Literally click 2 buttons, and you'll be entered to win. The winners will be selected at random the day after the final game of the NBA Finals. All you gotta do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. That's it.
The sack would push the Stars back, but 56-yard field goal is not a problem. Through the uprights, and it's good. Philly is back in front.
It's Sylvester! Look out! Behind you! Swipe for no swiping! You're too late!
Johnson stripped from behind. The Showboats take the football away. 3 plays after the interception, 40 seconds later. Kelly takes the snap, avoids the pass rush, looking over the middle.
Yoink!
Hair Proverbs 16 verses 6. There's a dreadlock motherfucker with your football, pussy. On the ensuing drive, literally 1 minute later,
I dropped it.
Johnson fumbles again. Scooped up by the Showboats, Memphis gets the ball right back. But wait, there's more. Very next play, Dr. Umar Johnson special.
More gifts. More gifts.
4th turnover in 2 minutes. The Dreadlock Powers take the ball away from Memphis, and the Breakers get it right back. This is ridiculous. The Generals try a 50-yard field goal. They'd regain the lead and go up by 1, 10-9. Under a minute left to go into half. Thompson looking towards his left. Passes ricocheted. Intercepted again. 5 turnovers in 3 minutes.
More gifts. More gifts.
2nd and 5 for Case Cook is stepping into the kitchen, looking towards his left. He's got his man participating in the 10 toes down challenge. Touchdown, Philadelphia. They regain the Kansas. Look at Coleman's in-education in foot studies. All he had to do was tap his right toe on the turf, but he decided to swing it forward and completely step out of bounds. That would nullify the touchdown. They're going to have to settle for a field goal again.
You fucking income fucking poop.
Birmingham drives all the way down the field. Magoo takes the snap, looking towards his right, got his man, dives into the end zone. The champs are in front, and all you had to do was catch the football, CJ. 4th field goal today for the Stars, 36 yards out. It's through the uprights and good. They go into the break leading 12-10. And after all those turnovers, Memphis would boot it through the uprights and good from 43 yards out to lead by 6. To the second half we go. The reigning defending undisputed USFL champions get the football to start the half against the Gamblers, but they got Butterfingers fumble on the play, scooped up by Houston. Everybody turning the football over today. What is in the water? Hot.
Just take it! I dropped it.
Butterfingers again. Victor fumbles on the play, scooped up by a fat man. And the Stars take it away again. Hey, Victor, no reason to be upset. It's just your 2nd fumble of the day, but there's a lot of time left. No way you turn the football over again, right?
You need a shout out? Book me on Cameo.com/Chiseled Adonis and get a shout out, birthday wishes, draft order for your fantasy football team. It don't matter. Book me. What are you waiting for?
That lead to a 5th Philadelphia field goal from 27 yards out to lead by 5. 4th and 1 following the fumble recovery for the Gamblers.
Access denied.
I stopped short.
Back to New Orleans we go. Thompson looking towards his right. He's got Anthony Jones activating his dreadlock powers. And finally, the Breakers are on the board, and they take the lead against Memphis. It appears everybody had the same lunch, dinner, and breakfast this weekend, eating apple. Turnovers, pass ricocheted and intercepted by the Stars. Everybody turning the football over. It feels like the first time in forever we take our cameras back to Michigan.
Oh no!
Philly and Memphis kickers is getting overtime on their check this week. Only points on the board has came from their feet. 9-7 lead.
All right, let's try this again. And nobody's blocking.
The reigning champs bring themselves in field goal range, booted through the uprights, and it's good. They lead by 6. Pittsburgh would follow suit on a 22-yard field goal to go up by 10. Then the Stars again would connect from 51 yards out. They lead 18-10. Jesus Christ, this man is kicking everything today. Into the 4th quarter we go. Wilson play action fake. He's gonna let it fly. And Radcliffe Williams has the Birmingham Stallions on Cinnabar Island. Burns them into the end zone for the score, and the Gamblers take the lead. Top of the 4th quarter for Michigan as well, and you would have thought fumbleitis is like the AIDS epidemic in the 80s. Everybody got it. Fumble on the play again, picked up by Pittsburgh. They take the football away. 28-yard field goal for the Generals to make this a 1-score game. Well, I mean, it was an 8-point lead. It's still a 1-score game, but they cut it down to 5.
Not on my watch.
This motherfucker's scoring every point.
It's my turn.
Poke and kick! To the left. Take it back now, y'all. Oh, I missed.
All right, let's try this again. And nobody's blocking.
You're never gonna catch me. You're wasting your time.
Butterfingers, nobody even touched him. He gave the football away. Can't nobody protect their balls today. Yet another field goal in the USFL to give the Breakers a 1-point lead over Memphis. But Memphis would answer right back with absolutely no protection for Kelly. He'd be sacked for a 10-yard loss. Jersey in scoring distance, hand off to Victor again. Butterfingers, he pitches the football to the Stars, his 3rd fumble of the day, and the Stars take the football away. Look at this nincompoop. This man couldn't hold his balls if he was a physician trying to check for a possible hernia. What you out here tossing footballs to the opponent for, stupid? Homie must have graduated from the Dylan Mulvaney Institute with the amount of balls he's given away. Victor! Put your motherfucking head back down, stupid! Get your ass off the field, pussy.
You want to become an official member at Hold My Nuggets Incorporated? Head over to ChiseledAdonisShop.com and grab your merch. Stock is flying off the shelves. Get it before it's gone. Grab a hat. Let the people know your affiliation.
The Panthers drive all the way down the field to the 11-yard line just to cook up peep can. Turnovers, pass intercepted in the end zone by the Ballers. Tarpley's got the sideline, cuts inside. He's got a convoy of bodies out in front. He's hitting the turbo button, trying to make it to McDonald's, but the man's tank is running on E.
Come back here, you little son of a bitch!
Operation Pick 6 was a failure. The Gamblers now at the 1-yard line. Toss over to Mark Thompson's gonna find his way into the end zone as he exposes his right testicle on that Stallion defense for his second score of the day. And since they already up by 7, no harm, no foul to go for 2.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Pittsburgh would waste little time turning the interception into points as Williams would dial up voicemail, call his own number, and take the dead Namekian to the funeral home because they put the nail in the coffin.
Game over.
Back to New Orleans we go. Showboats inside the 10-yard line. Kelly's pass is going to be caught in the end zone. Wide open is Mitchell to regain the lead. It's as if the Breakers completely forgot they were undefeated. They trail by 7 because they get 2 for their mistakes. Following a turnover on downs from the Stallions, it appears that Mark Thompson would participate in a little bit of public indecency. He'd expose his entire nutsack and rub his scrotum all over that Birmingham defense for his 3rd touchdown of the day. The Breakers trying to remain the only undefeated team in the USFL.
Yeah, well, not anymore, you're not. Game over, man. Game over.
Game on the line for the Generals, but our fingers, they don't even get the football. It's taken away from the Stars, but there's laundry on the field because a nincompoop on Philadelphia decided to encroach in the neutral zone, resulting in a repeat of 2nd and goal, and this time the Generals would find the end zone for the score and cut their deficit down to 2. Desperately needing this conversion, the play action fake would be successful. Mans is wide open, 2 for your mistakes. Tie game 21-all. On the ensuing kickoff, these motherfuckers decided to kick a short kickoff to the 22-yard line that would be returned inside General territory down at the 46. 18 seconds left to play. Magoo and the Stallions drive all the way down the field, somehow keep the drive alive, and they'd find the end zone to cut the deficit down to 1 score. With 10 seconds left to play, needing to convert on the 4th and 12 onside attempt. Magoo rolling towards his right, looking down the field, already past the line of scrimmage, but the pass intercepted anyway. Take the L out of Lover. This game is over, brother. Down go the Stallions. Back over to Philadelphia we go. 3rd and 2, huge first down for the Stars, and they had 2 timeouts remaining. They'd keep 1 second on the clock, and out comes Aguilar. 55-yarder for the win through the uprights, and it's good. Man scored every single point for Philly. Single-footedly defeated the New Jersey Generals and told them to join New Orleans, Michigan, and Birmingham in taking out their Metro car and getting aboard the L train.
You lose.
What's for dinner? Fresh hot ales!
You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm. Do it! Just do it! Make your dreams come true!
Please! Please!
What are you waiting for, huh?
Oh my god.